Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to deposit money into expert option using Binance. So let's get started. First, log in to your expert option account and go to the finance and deposit section. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use like USDT, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to deposit, agree to the terms, and click Proceed to Payment. Copy the deposit address and memo provided by Expert option. Open your Binance account, go to Wallet, then Withdraw, select the same cryptocurrency, paste the Expert option address and memo, and send the funds. Wait for the network confirmation, and your deposit will reflect in expert option. And that's it! You've successfully deposited money into expert option using Binance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.